A very good morning, my dear students. I hope that all of you are fine and safe and taking good care of you and your family. Dear students, as per schedule, your maths class is there, and all of you know that we were doing chapter number 10, time and temperature. Time we had completed, temperature was left. So, dear students, first of all, you should know what is temperature. Here one example is given. On the basis of that, you will be clear that what is temperature. Read it carefully. Simran likes to drink hot coffee while Shruti likes to drink cold coffee. Right? Abhinav, the younger brother of Simran, liked to drink milk, neither hot nor cold. So the word cold and hot tell us about the heat in an object, that how much heat in that object is. To calculate this heat, we need to calculate the temperature. We need to find the temperature of the objects. Generally, we use the thermometer, the instrument used to measure temperature, to know how much cold or how much hot an object is. So, dear students, two units of temperature are there. So, two types of scale we are using. One Celsius scale, second is Fahrenheit scale. Celsius scale is what? In this scale, the unit of temperature is measured in degrees Celsius and is written as degree Celsius. A small, very small circle, then C, capital C, it means degree Celsius. And second unit is Fahrenheit scale. In this scale, the unit of measurement, unit of temperature is measured in degree Fahrenheit. And it is written as degree F. In Celsius, degree C. In Fahrenheit, degree F. So here let us observe the boiling and heating, freezing temperature of water in both the scales, Celsius scales also and Fahrenheit scale also. Water is freeze, like when it is in refrigerator, so 0 degree Celsius, and in Fahrenheit it is 32 degree Fahrenheit. And if it boils, then temperature of water is 100 degree Celsius, and in Fahrenheit 212 degree Fahrenheit. So the temperature in degree C and F with same numerical values cannot be considered equal. So all of you are seeing that in Celsius scale and in Fahrenheit scales, numbers are different. So for the same numerical value of temperature in degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit, the temperature in C always the greater than temperature in Fahrenheit. So all of you know that normal body temperature you must have read in science. It is in Celsius, that is known as 37 degrees Celsius, but in Fahrenheit 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So their values are not equal, and Celsius is always greater than Fahrenheit. Right? So maximum temperature of a day is the hottest time, while minimum temperature of a day is the coldest time of the day. So here weather conditions at their temperatures are given. Temperature 0 degree Celsius to 5 degree, 5 to 12, 12 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35 and 35 to 40. So weather condition, if it is 0 to 5 degree Celsius, then it means weather is very cold. 5 to 12 cold, 12 to 20 again cold, 20 to 25 mild, then warm, then hot, then very hot. Right? That's why you must have listened that in temperature in summer, the temperature is high, 30 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius. But in winter, it is 0 to 5 degrees Celsius or 5 to 12 degrees Celsius or up to 20 degrees Celsius basically. So on the basis of temperature, exercise 10.6 is given. No need to do this exercise in fair notebook. You can tick mark in the book itself. So here what is it? Tick the appropriate temperature of the following objects. First is tea. So all of you know that tea is hot. 5 degrees Celsius cannot be there because 5 degrees Celsius is very cold. that is 50 degrees Celsius, right? Second one is fever, 102 degree F or 98.6 degree, that is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Winter, 10 degree or 30 degree, 30 degree it is very hot, 10 degrees Celsius is in winter. Body heating, 35, heating means very hot, that is 35 degrees Celsius. Question number 2, read the temperature on this scales in degrees Celsius and filling the blanks. You have to read the temperature. See red line, that is up to 20 degrees Celsius, and B part, that is up to 50 degrees Celsius. So answer of first question, A part, that is answer is 20 degrees Celsius, because you have to tell what is the temperature on the given scales in degree C, and B, that is 50 degree Celsius. So dear students, please watch this video carefully and complete this chapter in your fair notebook as well as in book, and prepare this chapter anytime I can take the test. So, and I have given one surprise test to you. Let's do that surprise test. On the basis of surprise test performance, it will be clear that how much you have learnt in this chapter. Thank you. God bless you.